time to get into bed.
But I can't go to bed without my cape.
Here we are, a nice, clean pillowcase.
My cape!
Now, Michaela, remember, at night, your cape becomes your pillowcase.
Super pillow!
Super pillow! Okay, time to get into bed. Here we go. Cozy? All right.
Now it's time for Michaela's lullaby. And you know the words. Let's sing them together, but really quiet so she can go to sleep. Ready? We are family. Mommy, Daddy, Grandma, and me. We are family. It's working. Mommy, Daddy, Grandma, and me.
Freeze. Everyone, make your face like one of the family members. How does that face make you feel? Happy? Let's take a picture. Everyone take your cameras out. 1, 2, 3, click. We're going to call this picture Happy Family. On the count of 3, we're going to clap our hands and our play will be over. 1, 2, 3.
Now at the end of a play, the actors, that's us, come down to the end of the stage and take a bow, while you, the audience, you're the audience, claps for us. So go ahead and clap, and we'll bow. Go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now you were such a big part of telling our story. You get to bow and we'll clap for you. Teachers, we need you to clap for the students as well. Ready? We're going to practice first. So while you're sitting, take a bow from your waist. Just bend over, bow. Yeah, just like that. You did. Now we're going to do it for real. Go.
Bravo! Bravissimo! You are
Now we are Smithsonian's Tools of Discovery. Everyone pose with us. Thank you for playing with us today.
Bye.
Bye-bye!